2019 Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a good-looking crossover with bold styling. An 8-inch infotainment screen offers the latest in technology and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Owners of a certified pre-owned Mitsubishi vehicle get the same powertrain limited warranty coverage as the original owner. Even better, there is zero deductible for all covered repairs. And just to make sure they have you covered, they provide 24-hour roadside assistance at no cost while the certified warranty is in effect. Check out your local Mitsubishi dealer today to find out all the details.